Actually, triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. Right angle at the B. Right angle at B means B is 90 degrees. And also given AB equals to 5 centimeters and the angle ACB equals to 30 degrees. Right on the angle. Solution. Given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. ACB equals to 30 degrees. AB equals to 5 centimeters and ACB equals to 30 degrees. And the remaining AC, now you can find AC and BC. How to find? Angle ACB equals to 30 degrees. Now, sin C equals to, sin C means 30 degrees, C means 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees equals to opposite by hypotenuse. AB by AC. What is the value of sin 30 degrees? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equals to AB 5 AC implies AC equals to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Also, tan C equals to tan C equals to tan 30 degrees equals to tan 30 AB by BC. AB opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Implies tan 30 1 by root 3 equals to AB 5 by BC. Implies BC equals to 5 root 3 centimeters. Once again, given triangle ABC is a right angle at B. So, here triangle ABC, right angle at B. Also given AB equals to 5 centimeters and ACB equals to 30 degrees. Now, let us take sin C. Sin C equals to sin 30 degrees equals to AB by AC. We have the value of AB equals to 5. So, sin 30 equals to 1 by 2 equals to 5 by AC. AC equals to 10 centimeters. And similarly, tan C equals to tan 30 degrees equals to tan means opposite by adjacent. Opposite. AB by BC. AB by BC. The value of tan 30 degrees equals to 1 by root 3 equals to 5 by BC. So BC equals to 5 root 3. Next problem. Example 5. A chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters and making an angle 60 degrees at the center, find the length of the chord. మనం 9th class లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. What is this? Diameter. Diameter. This is chord. And this is tangent. Tangent. Okay. By the problem, the chord of a circle. The chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters. What is this? center, center. ఏంటిది? ఇది radius. The radius. Center నుంచి any point of the circle. This is radius. ఒక లైన్ ని పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, సో సెంటర్ O is the center. ABC. And making an angle 60 degrees at the center, find the length of the chord. ఎంత అన్నాడు? ముందు 60 degrees అన్నాడు. ఇదేంటి? కార్డ్ ఎంత అన్నాడు? 6 centimeters. Chord is 6 centimeters. The chord of the circle is 6 centimeters. So OB and OA is the chord of the circle, and AB is the chord of the circle, and OA and OB is radius. Solution: given the length of the radius OA equals to OB equals to 6 centimeters. Also given making an angle is 60 degrees. That is angle AOB equals to 60 degrees. The angle AOB equals to 60 degrees. In a circle, we have two right angle triangles. The one is AOC and BOC. Then, by angle AOC equals to 30 degrees and angle BOC equals to 30 degrees. And then split out the split out the is any 60 degrees making an angle. So two parts of the 60 degrees, 30, 30, 30. Okay. Now, ముందు మనం ఏమంటే కార్డ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది, అంతేనా? ఫైండ్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద కార్డ్. కార్డ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఏం తీసుకోవచ్చు? స్టాండ్ తీసుకోవచ్చా? స్టాండ్ తీసుకోవచ్చా? బై యాంగిల్ AOC we have AOC ని తీసుకుందాం. Tan 30 degrees equals to tan 30 degrees means opposite to sin లో తీసుకుందాం. Sin 30 degrees equals to opposite to hypotenuse AC by AOR OA. What is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2 equals to AC by AO 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters implies 2 1 just 2 3 just 1 equals to AC by 3 implies AC equals to 3 centimeters.
ఒకటే సార్.
By the figure, చూడమ్మా ఈ ఫిగర్ లో what is the AB? By the figure AB equals to AC plus CB. AB equals to AC plus CB. Since AC equals to CB, AC value ఎంత ఉంటుందో CB value కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది. 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Therefore, the chord of the circle is 6 centimeters.
No kingdom, sir.
Once again. The length of the card, the length of the radius, length of the radius, find the length of the card. Length of the radius is 6 centimeters and making an angle is 60 degrees. So angle AOB is 60 degrees, angle AOC equals to 30 and angle BOC equals to 30 degrees. Now you can consider angle AOC we have sin 30 degrees equals to AC by AO, sin 30 equals to 1 by 2, which is equals to AC by 6 centimeters. 2 1 just 2 3 just 1 equals to AC by 3, AC equals to 3 centimeters. By the figure, the chord AB equals to AC plus CB. So AC equals to CB. The length of the AC equals to the length of CB. Since the length of AC equals to 3 centimeters plus the length of CB equals to 3 centimeters. 3 plus C equals to 6 centimeters. The chord of the circle is 6 centimeters. Example 6. In triangle PQ, right angle at Q, PQ equals to 3 centimeters and PR equals to 6 centimeters. Determine angle QPR and angle PRQ.
Eliminate, sir. Vinod eliminate. Chandra eliminate.
చెప్పండమ్మా ఏం చెప్పారు ప్రాబ్లం triangle PQR is right angle PQR is a triangle right angle at Q. So PQR, Q is right angle. Also given PQ 3 centimeters and PR equals to 6 centimeters. PQ equals to 3, PR 6. And determine QPR and PRQ. That means P and R angle మనం determine చేయాలి. ఎన్ని angles లో ఉంటుంది. Basic Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? By the figure. By the figure. PR whole square equals to PQ square plus QR square. 6 square equals to 3 square plus QR square. 36 minus 9 equals to QR square. 36 minus 9. 27. 27. Plus QR equals to root 27. Plus QR equals to 9 into 3. That is just 27. Which is equals to 3 root 3. Therefore, QR equals to 3 root 3. ఓకే రాసుకోవచ్చు. రూట్ 27 అయితే మనకి వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నది కదా, ఉన్నది కదా. రూట్ 27 మీన్స్ సపోజ్ రూట్ 8, సపోజ్ రూట్ 8 4 into 2 2 root 2 2 root 2 రాసుకోవచ్చా అంతేనా? సో ఇలా స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Now sin r equals to sin r tan r ఏం తీసుకుందో చెప్పండి. tan తీసుకుంటే tan, ఓకే, tan r equals to opposite by hypotenuse, sorry, opposite by adjacent, pq by r cube implies tan r equals to value of pq 3 by 3 root 3 which is equals to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 tan లో ఎన్ని డిగ్రీస్ లో వస్తది? tan r equals to tan 30 degrees, r equals to చెప్పిందా? సో r equals to 30 degrees. Now p also tan p equals to qr by pq means opposite by adjacent.
3 root 3 by 3.
3 root 3 by 3 equals to root 3.
Root 3 by 1.
Tan p equals to tan 60 degrees. P equals to 60 degrees. నిన్న చెప్పాం tan how to cancel cancel but inverse of trigonometry. Therefore the value of r is 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Conclusion point రాస్తున్నాం. Angle QPR equals to 30 degrees. Angle PRQ equals to 60 degrees. Finally, example 7. Example 7, last problem.
ఒకటి సార్.
Example 7. Complete it. Complete it. If sin a minus b equals to 1 by 2, cos a plus b equals to 1 by 2, 0 degrees less than or equals to a plus b less than or equals to 90 degrees, a greater than b, find a and b. 0 less than a plus b less than or equals to 90 degrees. Okay. Problem. Given sin a minus b equals to a plus b equals to 1 by 2. A ni b value మనం find out చేయాలి. Sin a minus b equals to 1 by 2. Cos a plus b equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 ని వాల్యూ కాసుల్లో ఎన్ని డిగ్రీస్ లో ఉంది? చూడండి చూసి చెప్పండి. 60 degree. Implies sin A minus B equals to sin cos A plus B equals to cos 60 degrees. Okay, implies A minus B equals to 30 degrees. A plus B equals to 60 degrees. Equation 1, equation 2. Now we can solve equation 1 and 2, we get the values of A and B. Now we can solve 1 and 2 we have. One plus 2, equation 1 and equation 1 plus 2. A minus B equals to 30 degrees. A plus B equals to 60 degrees. Plus and number symbols cannot be changed. So 2A equals to plus B minus B is 0. 2A equals to 90 degrees. A equals to 45 degrees. Then 90 by 2 equals to 45. Substituting A value in equation 2. A value in equation 2, we get 2. It implies what is 2? A plus B equals to 60 degrees. A is 45 degrees plus B equals to 60 degrees. B equals to 60 minus 45. B equals to 50 degrees. And trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In a right angle triangle, B is the right angle at what is the value of B? 90 degrees. B is 90 degrees. The sum of other two angles must be 90 degrees. Okay. So in a right angle triangle, right angle at B, the degrees of the B is 90 degrees, and the remaining angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
A, B, C. Consider triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. Angle B equals to 90 degrees. The sum of other two angles must be 90 degrees. That is, angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degrees. Angle A and angle C equals to 90 degrees. Let angle A equals to small x. Angle A equals to small x. Then angle A plus angle C equals to 90. Angle C equals to 90 minus angle A. Implies angle C equals to 90 minus x. So angle A equals to x degrees. Angle C equals to 90 minus x. Now sin x equals to sin x. What is sin x? BC by BC by BC sin. BC by BC by AC. BC by AC. Cos x equals to AB by AC. Tan x equals to BC by AB. BC by AB. 6 x equals to AC by BC. 6 x equals to tan x equals to AB by cot x equals to AB by BC. ఈ మొత్తాన్ని ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అనుకోండి. మొత్తాన్ని ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అనుకోండి. ఆల్సో సో ఇప్పుడు ఏ వాల్యూ నుంచి చూస్తాం అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? సి దగ్గర నుంచి చూస్తాం. సి వాట్ ఇస్ ద సి యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ సి ఈక్వల్స్ 90 minus x sin 90 minus x equals to AB by AC. AB by AC. Next cos 90 minus x equals to BC by AC. Tan 90 minus x equals to AB by BC. You see 90 minus x equals to AC by Pusik 90 minus x. Pusik 90 minus x. AC by AC by AB. AC by BC. Cot 90 minus BC by this is all equation 2.
సార్ సురేష్ సార్ 10 minutes ఉంది సార్ ఇంకా.
ఓకే సార్.
హలో మేడం, మీరు ఒకసారి సిస్టమ్
చూడండి ఒకసారి. Consider triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle vector B. Right angle vector B means angle B equals to 90 degrees. The sum of the other two angles 90 degrees. So angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degrees. Consider let the angle A equals to x degrees. Angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degrees. Angle C equals to 90 minus angle A. Angle A equals to x. So angle C equals to 90 minus x degrees. Now by using sin x equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos x equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan x equals to opposite by adjacent. Substitute the values from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 we have sin 90 minus x equals to AB by AC. AB by AC. AB by AC means equation cos x. Cos x. Cos 90 minus x equals to BC by AC. This is equal to sin x. Cos tan 90 minus x equals to AB by BC equals to cos x. Ante. Next, cosec 90 minus x equals to AC by AB equals to sec x. Cosec 90 minus x AC by AB equals to sec x. 90 minus x equals to AC by BC. AC by means when cosec x. Cosec x. Cot 90 minus x equals to BC by AB equals to tan x. Complementary angle. కనపడుతుందిరా అటు చూసి రాసుకున్నాము కావాల్సి కనబడకపోతే పక్క చూసి రాసుకున్నాం. By this, చూడమ్మా by this ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయొచ్చు? sin 90 minus 30. Suppose sin 90 minus 30 అని అన్నా ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు? కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ ఇక్కడ అందుకని వాట్ ఇస్ sin 90 minus x equals to cos x. 30 ఉంది which is equals to cos 30. మీరు x ప్లస్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఒక డిగ్రీస్ కన్సిడర్ చేశాం. సపోజ్ tan 90 minus a equals to cot sec 90 minus 3 equals to cosec 3. చూడండి ఇదే కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్. అర్థమవుతుందా? కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను, చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి. sin 180 sin 180 అన్నా అనుకుందాం. ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? sin 90 plus 90 రాసుకోవచ్చా? which is equal to sin 90 minus of 90 by using complementary problem. sin 90 minus a minus 90 is a sin 90 minus a, that means a means minus 90 cos minus 90 cos minus 90. So actually the further class లో వస్తుంది మీకు cos అనేది మైనస్ మింగా వస్తుంది. cos 9 what is the value of cos 9? Find out చేయొచ్చా? కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ బాగా ఇది అని చెప్పి డౌట్స్ ఉంటే రైజ్ చేయండి. డౌట్స్
మీటింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
టైం అయిపోయింది.
కెమెరా ఉంటే
ఆన్లైన్ ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే చేసేయండి అమ్మా. మీరు కూడా చెప్పండి. సార్ టైం ఉందా ఇంకా?
సార్ ఇంకా 1 minute ఉంది సార్.
టైం ఉందా? టైం 1 minute ఉంది సార్.
ఇంకా 1 minute ఉంది సార్. 1 నిమిషం ఉంది ఇంకా.
ఓకే. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ cos 10 cos 110 cos 90 plus 20 plus 20 is equal to cos 90 minus of minus 20. Okay. Cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x. Sin x. Since cos 90 minus x equals to sin x. Sin minus 20, which is equal to minus sin 20. Okay, 20 value లేదు కాబట్టి 20.